Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to hopefully resolve the AMD installer error message 195. Oops, something went wrong. AMD installer cannot continue because it's unable to access the required web resources. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. First thing I recommend doing, go back to the download page so you found this driver. Make sure you're downloading the right package installer for your particular product. So if you're not, that's certainly a potential reason for this error message. So you want to take a look into that. Go back in, make sure it's the correct driver you're downloading. Something else you'd want to also consider here as well would be to download the automated driver utility. So go ahead and just download that from AMD's website. So if I open up the search menu, type in AMD driver download automatic utility or something to that effect. Doesn't have to be exactly what I just typed in. So you go down and select the Get Drivers of AMD Auto Detect and Install tool. Go ahead and select that. And now you're going to go down and select underneath Download and Setup. Just go ahead and left click on the AMD Drivers and Support button and select the Auto Detect utility. So go ahead and download that. And then go ahead and actually just run this utility instead of doing whatever you were doing before. And just go ahead and let it install and find applicable drivers for your AMD hardware. So you just would go ahead and let it install here and then just follow along with the on-screen prompts. So pretty straightforward process, guys. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.